Hey guys, it is Arickamisha. Just coming doing a little quick through the week meal. You know, something quick I normally fix for the girls through the week. So I just want to do a little quick video about, you know, something that you can do real quick through the week to fix for dinner. I have the Banquet Mega Strips. This is the sweet and tangy Georgia recipe. These are the strips. Those. And you guys saw these in my Winn-Dixie weekly grocery. You can go back and look at the video. This is in one of my Winn-Dixie hauls. And they have the Banquet Mega Strips. This is the Nashville hot recipe. Zoom in for you guys so you can get a good look at that brand. It's the Banquet Nashville hot. And they're really good, guys. See, go back over here to those sweet and tangy Georgia Gold. Those are good too. Let me give you guys a peek inside the bag. It's the Georgia Gold. That's what they look like. Let me take one out. I'll take one out so you guys can see what they look like. Nice size nuggets. Nice size chicken strips. And the Nashville hot. Give you a peek inside the bag. Nashville hot. Nice size nugget, guys. And I got some Publix restaurant style fries. Let me see, Publix restaurant style. Let me get this way so I can get some light. Publix extra crispy French fried potatoes. I got the restaurant style. Publix always have these on sale. And I've got the fries out. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little fry season over them. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me get in my spice cabinet here. Show you guys my spice cabinet. Yeah, spices go all the way back. Yep. Y'all know I cook, so I gotta have every season. Every season I gotta have it. Oh, there it is. There is my French fry seasoning, Supreme Tradition. I think I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. So show you guys how I do that. Just sprinkle a little. Let's get some light here. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of that on them. Gives the fries, like, you know, a little seasoned taste, so they're not just plain fries. Yep. And let me show you guys, I already have some in the air fryer already. See if we can get in here and check on them. Yep, that's how they looking. Now the ones on the right are the spicy ones. You can see like that little glaze across the top. Those are the spicy ones. And the ones in the back, like the yellow, more yellow looking one, those are the sweet and tangy ones. I already got them in my air fryer with my aluminum foil down. Like I told you guys, I always lay my air fryer with aluminum. So I've got that laid down. I sprayed a little oil, and then I put the nuggets, you know, so they don't stick, because they lightly breaded too. That's what I like. They're all chicken and they're lightly breaded. I hate when nuggets are all bread and no chicken. So, but these are really good. Girls love them. I love them. So get those back in there. And I put it on 400. I put it on a high heat. They're just nuggets. You're just pretty much heating them up. So I go ahead, I put them on 400, and I put them on for about 15 minutes. Nope, I'm sorry, they're nuggets. I put them on 400 and I put them on for about 10 minutes. And then I check on them. Check on them and see how they're doing. Let me show you guys again. That's the Banquet Mega Strips Nashville Hot. And the Sweet and Tangy Georgia Gold chicken strips. So I put a little fry season on those fries. Those Publix restaurant style fries. And like I said, guys, this is just a quick through the week meal that I put together for the girls. Of course, I'll be doing a couple of videos, you know, to show you guys what I normally just fix them throughout the week. And you guys know, working all day, kids are in school all day. So I just find something quick and easy, you know, to get done. As less time as possible in the kitchen. So I'll be back, guys, once those nuggets get done and once those fries get done to show you guys what they look like. I'll be back. Bye. Okay, guys, the timer just went off on our nuggets, well, chicken strips. So I'm over here checking on them. Let's get some better light here. Alright, so they're looking good. And what I do at this point, I just go ahead and flip them. Flip them over to the other side. Hot, hot, hot. Just take my hand and flip them over. Okay, and these are the mustard ones. Woo! Hot, hot, hot. Yeah, for the sweet and tangy ones. Make sure I got them all flipped over. Okay. Yep, they are all flipped over. And we'll go ahead and put these back in the air fryer. I'll put them back in. Let's see. Let's put them on. I'm keeping the 400 temperature. Keeping my 400. And my time, I'm going to do... let's do like 7. Let's do 7. Yeah, I think 7's good. 7 minutes. Because the other side is already halfway, pretty much all the way cooked. We just, you know, flip them over so they can get a little crispy on top. So we will be back to check on them. And oh, let me show you guys my fries. I added a little, y'all know, I already added the parsley to the fries. I'm telling you, I put parsley on everything. So I added a little parsley to the fries. Get some better light for y'all to see. But yeah, added parsley to the fries. Give them a little spin. So I will be back to check on the strips in about, it's got 7 minutes left. And then after the strips gets done, I'll go ahead and throw the fries in. And I'll come back and show you guys that. Bye. Okay, my timer on my air fryer just went off. And as you can see, our strips are done. Nice and hot. Go in there for you guys. It's a little hot in there, but I'm going to still take it in. Yeah, nice and crispy. I don't want them to be too crispy, too hard. Girls don't like them hard and crispy. I don't like them crispy either, so not too crispy. So that's what they looking like. So we'll take these out. Let me get a paper plate over here. Get these out. See, they're nice and crispy. Woo, hot, hot, hot. Let me set you guys up over here so you guys can see me taking the nuggets out. Let me see. Alright. Get you guys set up over here. You can see me getting the nuggets out. Go. Nice and crispy. You guys a close look at. Look at that. Nice. Turn it over for you. Hot, 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 hot. Put these out. Nice and hot. See. Okay. Got those. Look at those, guys. Don't they look good? They look so good and crispy, and they are good. And they're full of flavor. So, we move those out of the way. And let me pick you guys up. You see my fries. Let's get ready to get the fries in the air fryer. All right. I just dump my fries in there, right where my chicken strips are at. It's oil down in there, and I've already sprayed the top of my fries, and I've also put a little parsley on the fries. So, and I've got my fry season. So we are good. Now the fries in the air fryer depends on your air fryer. So I always put mine on 400, and I put them in 10 minutes. High temperature, 400, and I put them in for 10 minutes in my air fryer. It just depends on, you know, your air fryer, what kind of air fryer you have. So, you know, you got to kind of first see how your air fryer does on fries. Because I know when I first got this air fryer, I put the fries on 15 minutes and almost burnt them. So, you know, you just kind of feel your air fryer out. Mine's 410 minutes. And then I go in and shake them up and move them around, flip them over. I just take the basket, you'll see, and shake them up. And then I put them back in for like 5 more minutes, and they're done. 15 minutes pretty much. So, all right, I'm gonna give you guys another look at those nuggets. Well, chicken strips. Give you guys another look. Take you in. And like I said, the ones with, you can see like the little crisp over them, those are the spicy ones. And the mustard ones are more like, the sweet and tangy ones are more of a yellow color. You can see right here. They still have that little crisp on them too, but you can tell the difference between the two. So, see, the sweet and tangy ones, they get a little toast, a little roast across a little brown across the top of them too. So, yeah. Let's see. Yes, chicken strips. They look so good, and they are good. We've had them. We've had them before, so they look good. Get that to be my thumbnail. That is the perfect thumbnail right there for you guys. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and check on my girls over here being silly. We'll check on those fries when they get done. Okay guys, let's check on the fries. See what's going on with the fries. They are looking good. I'm just gonna, you know, you just shake them up like that so they get stirred around and flipped over. And I'm gonna put them back in the air fryer. They've got 5 minutes left, so we'll go ahead and let them finish out their time and see how they look when we come back in 5 minutes. You know what? I'm gonna put it to 7. I'm gonna put 7 on there. So you know what? That way I know they get done. They get a nice little brown, little toasty brown color to them. I don't like burnt fries. I don't like really hard fries, and neither do the girls. So I just get them lightly brown. So we'll be back, and by the time these 7 minutes are up, the fries should be done. You guys see what they look like. I'll be back. Okay guys, let's check on these fries. I think they've been in long enough. Yep. Look at them. Nice. Nice and golden brown. Lightly browned. Good enough. Good enough. Yep. They are good to go. So we'll get these dumped out. And dump that onto our plate over here. And you know the air fryer has that little disconnect basket. So I'll just take my basket out. Go ahead and dump my fries out. Just the lighting is horrible. Fries dumped out. Couple of fries. Come on out. Okay. Here you have the fries, guys. those. And they are perfect. See? Nice little golden brown. And they taste just like McDonald's. Not like, you know, exactly like McDonald's. But they taste okay. They taste good. And they're Publix brand. And they taste just fine. You cook them right, season them up. And they taste yummy. But you guys go in. Get your little bite. Got them. They look good. They look real good and yummy. See those spices on them. Got fried seasoning. And you see the, y'all see I threw some parsley on them. I throw parsley on everything. Y'all gonna see. I throw parsley on everything. Let's give you guys another little quick look at those chicken strips. Chicken strips and fries, guys. Chicken strips took them about 10 minutes. Fries about 10 minutes. 20 minutes, guys. Dinner is done. Dinner is served. And that's it, guys, for a dinner. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at Arickamisha. Thanks, guys. Bye.